Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing off Minecraft running on an iBook G3. Let me see, iBook Clamshell here, so the same one I showed off before, but I've upgraded the RAM, so now it is 320 megabytes, and I got it running all the way up to 10.4.11, which I talked about, and I even left a comment saying I wasn't sure if it was possible, but it is. So, only on like the ones with the FireWire port. It's a weird requirement of it, but I have gotten this to. I don't know if anybody else has ever gotten this to run on an iBook G3 Clamshell, but this confirms it's possible. Click here. You must play multiplayer. I could not. I waited like an hour and I could. Single player worlds never started, so you can't do that. So you're gonna want to activate performance mode for this to run even decently. Now, performance mode, you need to unbind the F11 key to the desktop key bind. You have to go to System Preferences and do that. And then if you press F11 while on Minecraft, Powered PC Edition, which I will link in the description, it will do this. Now, this is almost always kind of messed up, so I'm going to have to exit it again, unfortunately. You just need to go into it at some point while you're playing for it to play decently. It doesn't have to be at any specific point. But you're going to want to press Direct Connect, and you're going to want to put in your server IP. You need to set up a server for this. It's not going to quite work fully locally because it's Minecraft and an iMac G3. It just won't respond to my inputs right now. Maybe if I... Oh! Okay, so put in your server IP. I'm going to put mine in. Okay, so I put in my server IP here. QuickTime Player really needs to stop like showing its text down there. Okay. So you join it. I've had problems of getting this to work in the past. So I don't know if it's going to let me on first try or what it's going to do. Hopefully it does. This isn't the best way you can play Minecraft on a iBook. I'm sure Classic U is faster, but I wanted to get the real deal Minecraft working, and I succeeded at it. I had to go to software update and install Java up until it was saying it was doing 1.5 Java 5, and then you can just install Minecraft Power PC Edition on here. It's not hard, but it is not really playable. Now this happens to me frequently, and I'm not quite sure why. Let me go into performance mode here, if it'll let me. I'm trying, and it's not letting me, which is making me quite upset. What if I click here? Does this do it? No. It's very slow. That's one thing you'll notice about this if you do it. Quite unplayably slow. And it doesn't seem to be any way around that. I couldn't get a 8x8 texture pack to work, which is a trick I saw in the, what do they call it, the 8 megabytes of VRAM Minecraft video, which was pretty impressive to get it at that speed. But end of stream. Oh, my server timed out. Yep, another error. It's very frustrating when you do this so many times and it just gives you the same errors over and over again, and there's nothing you can do about it because you're using a server host, so it's not like it's your fault. Or it might be your fault with the Mac. I don't know. I really don't know what the deal is right now. I had this working at like 6-7 FPS in super flat server just 10 minutes ago. It's really agitating. So I'm having a problem where my keyboard input just is not registering, and I wanted to try putting in the port for the server, so I'm gonna have to restart this whole thing. Can I click that? No, I didn't like that. Alright. Go to the right. Oh. Is it down here? There it is. Open that up. I guess I could show you the excessive. PowerPC Edition S for username. I'll make sure to close that down, just if that's providing any extra load on the system. I doubt it is, but it might be. And then you wait for a while. And eventually it will show you the, you see down there that drop the thing open, and then this shows up. This kind of weird tab. And you just wait, and it'll show the Mojang logo. Then after another minute of waiting, it'll show you Minecraft. Ta-da! Here we go. So, now, click multiplayer. This panorama screen is all messed up. You can see the background. So now, yeah, I can use my keyboard now. So, I put in my port. I gotta blur out the server IP. But, put that in. Maybe it'll work now. I had a 1.0 have some weird. Didn't even give it time to think that time. What if I put it in this ad server thing? Maybe. Hopefully. Yo! We're in again. So this is where I got to before. You can see I even put down a little sign right here. This weather. Is there weather? / weather clear. So it should be going away then. Oh, there. Buy houses here, iBook G3. And I started construction on a little brick hut here. You can see this is about as simple of Minecraft gameplay as you can possibly get, and it's still barely running. But it runs. I mean, you can't deny that I am building a brick hut on an iBook from the late 90s. So I think this is a pretty cool curiosity. It's obviously not practical, but I've been getting into running modern software. You can put up F3 here. There's a control. Alright, so you can see the frame rate there. It's about 5 to 9 FPS on average. Which if I'm right and it's really 4 megabytes of VRAM on this thing, I think that's alright. Now, is this a playable experience? I would say no. Is it an ideal experience? I would say no. But is it working, technically? Yes. And I think that that's really the moral of the story here. Let's go in here and get a door. There we go. Wooden door. Put that on there. Put in a little sign. Right there. Light houses. Epic. Well, that character's all messed up. Epic iBook house. Is Epic house? Whoa! Why is it that weird color? Oh, it like fell out of the recording position. Oh well. Well, I think that's about it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.